We are looking at the bridge between holes 1 and 2 that was destroyed by ice chunks this spring. It is not usable. It hasn't been all season. When they're finished with hole number 1, they go around the bridge on number 8 and then they proceed around to number 2. Our golf course is a great asset to Rockwell. It brings a lot of business to Rockwell. We provide the running ground for the high school cross-country team. It feels great. A lot of community support. It was not covered by our insurance. The estimated cost has been $50,000 to $60,000. The hope is to get started yet this fall. It's a process.